thank you for meeting with me.
Nice to meet with you as well, and I'm very excited to talk about what PNIDs are today.
All right, let's get down to business. So what is a piping and instrumentation diagram?
So as you said, piping and instrumentation diagram could be abbreviated as a PNID. This is a very common flowchart diagram that shows all of the piping and physical sequences of equipment, valves, instrumentation, and process flow, as well as control loops for a chemical or other material manufacturing plant. So essentially this is just showing your piping and other related components of a physical process flow through the plant.
So then how would you say that's different from a process flow diagram and a block flow diagram?
So a process flow diagram is going to be more of a higher level view of what your process is. So this is generally only going to include your main unit operations. It might have the data for the streams that are going in and out and some operating conditions, but it won't include anything like physical specifications for piping or the instrumentation, sensors and actuators, as well as control loops. So that's going to be more simplified version, and then a block flow diagram is going to be even more simplified than the PFD is.
So in your experience, who uses a PNID?
PNIDs are used by a lot of different people that work in manufacturing plants. If you work in instrumentation, automation, or controls, they're going to be really essential to your job, as well as in engineering to design manufacturing processes and to design new plants. They're going to be designing PNIDs that go with those plants. They're used basically to see where the process is and be able to locate different pieces of equipment and know what the specifications are.
Okay, then what should be included on a PNID?
So a PNID, as we talked about, will include a lot of different things. These are going to be your instrumentation, any mechanical equipment, all of the valves that are involved in the process, any process piping, the flow directions, as well as control inputs and outputs and the loops that are associated with them. And yeah, identification of all those components as well.
Well, thank you again for meeting with me.
Yeah, no problem. Glad we all learned a little more about PNIDs today.